What's going on, everybody? It is Awesome Meat Gaming here, back with another YouTube video. Today we're doing a tutorial video on how to create your own custom YouTube channel banner. So what you want to do, go into a tab or your search thing, type in Pixlr, Pixlr, then go to this link, open Pixlr Editor, and before you do any of this, go into a new tab and type in channel-art-template-fireworks. It'll be the first one, and then just save that image to wherever you need it to be. Then type in, every good YouTube banner has a good background, so type in something like Galaxy Pictures or just any cool thing like nature/galaxy, and then just save the image that you like, and then go back to the photo editor. Create a new image. These don't matter and that doesn't matter. Go to, for width, 2560, and then the height, 1440, and make sure it's transparent. Then, if you scroll, you can see, and then if you look over here, you can move it in and out by scrolling, and you can see where you are. I'll just leave it like this. Go to Layer, open Image as Layer, Channel Art Template, and open that. Then do it again, open Image as Layer, and then do space or whatever image you got it to be. These are the ones that I did before. And then what you want to do is you want to do Edit, Free Transform, click Shift to make it the same, or don't click Shift to make it however you want. I click Shift on this one. So now what you want to do is you want to hide Layer 2. Yes, apply those changes. So hide Layer 2 by clicking it. Then create a new layer. Make sure you create a new layer. And go to Drawing Tool. Make it like this. And just exit out that because we don't need that. And this will just to be a good guide for where it is. So then what you want to do is click Move Tool because you don't want to be drawing any extra stuff. Make that visible and make that not visible by clicking the check mark. And then you can, not that one, make sure you go to Layer 2, and then you can move this one. And as you see, there's white over there, which means that it's not completely covered up. So I want to make it bigger, so Free Transform, and I'm just going to make it even more, and then I'm going to push it down like this. And then it kind of looks like an explosion, but it also looks like space. Then, once you have done that, go to Text. Make sure you apply the changes. Text. Go to here. And then there's a site called Dafont. 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 Then you can download any of the fonts there. Most of them are free. I got a font from that site called Ghost Factory. I can only use caps, which we found out. So if we type in our username, Awesome E Gaming, which is me, and as you can see, it's really small, and we don't want it to be small. So make the size something like 240, depending on how big your name is, your channel name. Change the color to whatever you want it to be. I'm going to change it to a blue, like kind of like this. Make sure it's a lighter color so you can see it depending on what background it is. And yeah, like that. And then you can change it to bold, italic, or whatever you want, bold and italic. Make it regular. I'm going to make it italic. Click OK. And now you have it something like this. Now this looks pretty cool if you ask me. You can go to a new tab and type in Twitter or anything like that. Make sure it's a transparent picture and make sure it's free. So then what you want to do, I'm just going to move this over more, like that, kind of, yeah. And then what you want to do is you want to do File, Save, and then save it. So now is where you can name it. So we'll just name it YT banner. That's not how you spell banner. And then since I already made one, I'll just name it 2. You can name it whatever you want. And then you can do any of those. JPEG is, it says good for most picture. You can change the quality, put it on 100. It doesn't really matter. It just upgrades the size. So then you want to click OK. Then this will come up. We're going to save it into pictures, and we're going to do save. Now that the image was saved, we can go into the old Pixlr and go to youtube.com, and I'll see you when we're there. Okay, now that we are in our channel page, you can see that you can rearrange the pictures and everything. So what we want to do is you want to go into, there's a little picture, I don't have it, but it's right over there. You want to do select a photo from your computer, and then these ones are cut off, but here it is this one. We can open it. It'll go right into here, uploading, and then this will show you what it is, what the banner is. So then we can do select, and it will change it to this one. Now that's pretty cool. So yeah, that is how you do it. You can do the same thing for this one, and it can just be an 800 by 800 for that one. I might make another video on how to do a logo. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later next time. P.S. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!